All right, our final step of the service provider process is for us to upload damage annotations for our inspection. So I've pulled up one of the example inspections here, which has a photo that we uploaded successfully already. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload some damages to this. So as part of that process, we get a pop-up that first asks us which damage schema we want to follow. So in most accounts, this should be pretty simple, but it's important that the damages that are being uploaded have damage attribute data that matches the allowed combinations within that account. If there are combinations that don't exist, it'll throw an error message in the process and will need to be fixed before that damage can be successfully uploaded. If you are curious the exact steps to go through to set up your damage file, again, we can always look at our user guide. And within our user guide, you can always search for bulk damage upload. And this defines the different attributes of that. I've gone ahead and already created one that has some of the attributes I want. So a couple things to note are that my file name matched the one that I uploaded. Also, there are other fields I could add, but I'm just adding these in as kind of the bare minimum. So if your damage schema has custom fields, you can upload these, and you'll see some of those in a minute that are in this test account. The final piece to note is for the coordinates, it's important to make sure that there's no spaces within the whole string. And then you should be good to upload these. So here's my example one, damage is x2 v0. So if I go close this one out and come back here, I'm going to actions, upload my damages, and I will locate that file. Within here, this is a test account, so there's many different types of damage attributes in here. It is smart enough to match the column names to the names of the fields that you might be populating if they fill in, if those two match identically. So I'll go to the very bottom very bottom, and here I can see preview. So it's telling me on that prior screen, it indicated it's going to create 2 damages. I can preview those, shows the data that I've populated, and I can go ahead and create. This will take a second as it's doing it. You'll notice this little upload icon that shows that it's busy working to upload those, and we've successfully created 2 damages. If there were any problems in the process, it would pop up with a little window where I could download a error file to figure out which specific damages were causing problems. So if we look here at our full image viewer of these damages, we see the 2, the severity 5 one, and the severity 4 one that I've attached to this. So with that, we have successfully uploaded the damages to this. One important piece to note is that the upload of damages needs to occur turbine by turbine, but you can upload as many damages per turbine and to each of the different blades on that turbine as you want. So that's kind of the recommended unit that we suggest uploading to make it as fast as possible. So with that, we've now successfully uploaded that. I'm going to go back a step to my prior view here, make this a little bigger. So we have successfully attached the damages on here. In the prior videos, we had created this work order and task, uploaded the images to it. So once we're happy with all that, the final step is to deliver it. So when we created this work order, we indicated that we were going to send it to this other test account called Arcola Fleet. And once I deliver that, it says, are you sure you want to deliver it from your organization to that? And you say confirm. And then the inspection delivery is started. So this will now push this data, a duplicate of it, to the other account, and then they have the ability to review those inspections and damages, and it's their own copy of it from that point forward. So hopefully these videos help you out with running through the service provider process and getting these to work successfully for you. Thanks.